Hi everyone. So in this video, I will solve the project task which is related to the game, that is rock paper and scissor. So here the task is to for the user input is to create a prompt where user has to choose the rock paper or scissor, and computer selects randomly from out of rock paper scissor for the computer, and the game logic is to determine the winner based on the user choice and the computer choice. And rock beats scissor, scissor beats paper, and paper beats the rock. This is the condition where it will come under the if conditions. And based on that, those I will set the marks or the points and display the results whether the user wins, loses, or it's a tie by tracking the score. And after playing the game, and it will ask and whether the user want to play again or not. And using the user interface, which means a tk enter, I will implement those tasks also. So for now I will create a prompt, then let's go for the user interface interaction for the user. So I have written a code which imports the choice from the random module. And here I am having the three different uh, values, that is stone, pepper, scissor. And this is my user choice, this is my pc choice variables. And while true, it will go on playing again and again. And this is the variable which is to count the points. And this for loop tells that to play for the 5 times, or out of 5 times whoever got the maximum points, he is the winner. For that I have taken the for loop. So first I have printing the message to press 1 for the stone, press 2 for the paper, press 3 for the scissor. So user can choice select a choice out of these three, one out of these three. If the choice is 1, then user choice is stone, paper, or scissor. Based on the condition, it will be assigned to this variable. Okay, now the pc choice is randomly out of spc, which is imported from the module choice. So pc can randomly selects. Now I have taken the flag as false, and user win and pc win false and false respectively. If the pc choice is stone and user choice is stone, then pass, which means do nothing. If the pc choice is stone and user choice is paper, which means user won the game, which means it is flag value changed to true. If the user choice is scissor, which means pc wins, because stone versus scissor, always the stone will win, so pc won the game. So in this condition, when the pc choice is stone and user choice is scissor, and user, now the if the pc choice is paper and user choice is stone, then pc won the game. If the pc choice is paper and user choice is paper, then do nothing, which means no flag value has been changed either for the pc, either for the user also. If the PC choice is paper and user choice is scissor, then user won the game. Reason is that if the paper choice is from the PC and user choice is scissor, then user won the game. If the PC choice is scissor and the user choice is stone, the user won the game, because stone can easily break the scissor. If the PC choice is scissor, user choice is paper, then PC won the game. Flag is true. If the choice is same, scissor and scissor for the both PC and user, then do nothing. After everything, it will print a message that PC choice is this and user choice is this one. So after that, I will set the points that the PC got the point if he wins. If the PC win is true, then PC point plus 10. If the user win is true, then user point is plus 10 for each game. So, so the message will be printed like that. PC choice is this one, and user choice is the user choice. So the PC point got this many number of points. User got points are this much points. That's it. And if those points is more, PC points is more than user points, then PC won the game. If the user points is more than the PC points, then user wins the game. If the points are same, then it is a draw. Like this, it will go for 5 times because it is happening within the range of 5. So 5 times it will go on playing. So in the after playing that, I will ask the user, do you want to play again? If he press yes, then it will play again. If not, then it will break it. Let's play what will happen. I will run this. Enter the choice. Which choice it is asking for? The PC is user choice. So this is the user choice. I will 2. If it is 2, then paper. So user choice is paper, PC choice is also paper, so it is draw. So no points has been given. So it is message as it is a draw game. Now, as from the user, as I am the user, I will press 1 for the stone. Again, the PC has selected random choices stone stone. So again I want to print 1. So this time, so draw the game, again draw the game. Now I will, for the last and final time, 3. So when I press 3, if you see here, for the first iteration, draw game because my choice is stone, this choice is stone. For the second iteration, again stone, stone, and for the next time when I my choice is stone and PC choice is paper, then PC won the game. For the final fifth time, also my choice is Caesar. PC choice is also a Caesar, but based on the total points, if you see, the PC won the game. So, do you want to play again? Yes, I want to play. Now, press 1 for the stone, 2 for Caesar, and 3 for the paper. So, my press 1. So, if I press 1, then the choice is same, so it is draw, so no points given for any one of them. So now my choice is 3, let's say. User win the game, so my choice is Caesar and PC choice was paper, so I got the point as 10. So user won the game for this iteration. Again I will press 3, let's see what will happen. So again, I am the one. So I got 20 points because earlier it was 10. This time also I taken the Caesar and PC's choice is paper. So I won the game. So I got plus 10 marks. So again, 2. This time user won the game. Reason is that for the fourth and fifth time, PC won the game. So it got 10 points earlier. Here, user. So here again 10 points, so I got updated as 30. So overall user points is more than PC points. Why? This one, this condition, if the user points is greater than the PC points, then user won the game. That is happened here. Do you want to play? No, I don't want to play. No, no, I have implemented same with the GUI based applications, and this is the TK Inter module where we can create an GUI based, and this is the root, and I set the window title, and this is the points, and this is the label names for the user choice and PC choice, and I have selected the label results, and I have declared the button name at this width and this height, and for the stone, paper, and scissor. So these are the buttons for each one, and this is the reset button where everything will be reset after playing. If you want to play again, for the play again, and this is the choice method which takes the user choice, and same logic will be applied here earlier as in the prompt. So this is how it is happening. So if I run this, so this is my GUI. So user choice is nothing, so my choice will be stone. So my choice is stone, PC choice is Caesar. So user got the 10 points, because stone versus Caesar, always stone wins. Stone is mine, so I am the user, so I got 10 points. Paper, okay, my paper my choice is paper and PC choice is Caesar. So PC got 10 points, user also 10 points, so it is draw. Like that it will go on. So third iteration, 20 points to 30 points, so I have to array. I got PC got 40 points. Alright, PC won the game. So for the all iterations, for the 6 to 7 iterations, I won only once, but remaining 5 times PC won the game. So I want to play again. Until unless I don't won the game, I won't leave it. User 10. Okay, PC draw 20 points. 20 points draw. 30 PC won the game. 40. Again PC won the game. Play again. 10 draw. 20 draw. 30 PC. 40 draw. PC won the game again. Caesar. Caesar 20. 20 draw. 30 user. Draw. 40. Again PC won the game. Play again. Stone. Paper. Caesar. Stone. Paper. Caesar. Stone. Stone. 40. User win the game. Finally I got the. Okay, this is how it is implemented. GUI application has been implemented. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comments. Thank you.